Tixel's gonna go win, smash the record. They'll have to get through me.
Kixel. Oh, I know Monk. Monk's hosting it, isn't he?
Yeah. Monk's crazy about it.
You guys better find some way to stream it.
Yeah. Well, I think there is someone hosting us, but I know it's not VG Bootcamp from what I remember. I was hoping it'd be VG Bootcamp because they were the ones who did Combo Breaker and all that. And for some reason, this crash for you, or is it working?
It's working. Did it crash?
It crashed for me. That sucks.
If you get a little bit of lag, like a one little lag spike, it just dies.
Yeah.
But at least it was you and not me, so they can still see.
Yeah, that's very good. I mean, well, not very good, but it's at least good for us.
It's not optimal, but
Yeah.
go. Oh, nice. It's 6-6. 6 stocks each. Crazy quick flip catch. Goes with the down angle. Just that's a crazy angle. Nice charge. Latch's smash on this stage just kind of slowly weaves in towards you if you let it go.
Oh yeah, Latch is apparently amazing. Like most of his angles are amazing on his stage, on every stage except Desolus, because they all like repeat. Especially if like you do a down button up angle with Latch, it's almost uncatchable at certain angles or at certain positions. Oh, I see that TD catch on the smash flip. I can't even watch it on stream. It's like it keeps buffering for me. It's unfortunate.
Ooh, that was a nice catch. He just jumped up with it and just with a bunt, and it slowly fell. Then just hit it.
Yo, I get those all the time for some reason, especially when you do it with Clashers. Those are sick. Like, you can bunt it away from them and then just clash it towards them. Or like, clash them towards it. Those are the sickest stocks.
Clashes are great.
Yeah. Clashes are life.
Ooh, I don't know how he took that. And Miku took it. Meku took it.
So, I think you might have a little comeback going on. A little bit of a soft comeback from winners finals. I always like watching the Switch Latch matchup because I always feel like Latch has a huge disadvantage against Switch. Not that huge, but I always feel like Switch has the upper hand in the matchup. I don't think there's really any matchups in this game that have like a huge disadvantage, but some of them I feel are like the character just has a lot more edges than the other one. Yo, what the fuck? Oh my god. It keeps not letting me connect every time I want to join. It's getting broken. Excuse me. Oh my god. I gotta restart my game.
What did you do to your poor mic? There, it looks like it's working now. That's pretty much what it sounded like, Bad Joe. But yeah, you gotta get your controller working for Rivals. That game just, I don't know. I don't know if that game is PC or keyboard friendly at all.
I know Lethal League isn't, but
Lethal League is. Lethal League's perfectly fine with a keyboard. Some people love keyboard with Lethal League.
I do. I play Lethal League with keyboard, but I don't know. Since the game looks a lot like Smash, I just want to play with I would rather just play with like the controller. It's kind of a cultural thing, Smash culture. But anyway, my mic. I was talking. Like, do you hear anything I said?
When? Like a while?
It was like about like a minute or two ago. I was talking quite a bit, and I guess you didn't hear it.
I guess probably not.
I think it was because I was shaking my leg and I was like shaking the wire at the same time. So my headphones that I use my mic for, I'm wearing two headphones right now. Like I'm using one for the mic.
That's what I used to do.
Yeah.
I got an actual mic.
Yeah, I need an actual mic because these headphones are really fucked up right now. So yeah, I might have just been shaking my leg and I shook the wire. Alright, this game didn't crash for me, so this is fine.
Ooh.
And it looks like TG opted to play Raptor.
He played Latch last game.
Yeah, I saw that.
Yeah, it was kind of close. But I mean, he won with Raptor last time.
I'd say Factory, both these characters are pretty good. I'd say Raptor's better because Switch still has some of his angles that get stuck on this stage. So, yeah.
I've heard some people say they like this stage as Switch, and other people say this is his worst stage.
A lot of people say that this is the worst stage for like every character. Like, I don't think anyone likes
Oh,
this
it can't
stage.
be. Well, maybe
it can't.
maybe like based on the other stages, but
Yeah.
I mean, if
Well,
it's
if
the
it
worst
just
for
don't like-
everyone, then it's got to be better for some of them.
Yeah, a lot of people just don't like the stage.
People just don't like this stage.
It's too wide.
You should have seen
really
it before. Oh,
Yeah. Quite short.
yeah, it was about half the height.
Life.
Kinda lets that go. Oh, he's getting it. He's catching him with the quick flips again. I think that guy just needs to get back in the zone with the quick flip catching.
He was doing it fine earlier, but I guess he's... I don't know, he's probably just tilting.
Just forgot about it. I don't know.
He forgot how to catch. He's got Alzheimer's at a young age. I think we're the same age. It's kind of bad.
Oh, nice little corner there. Stay out of the corners.
Bait 4. The reason why I say Switch doesn't really have that much of an edge on Factory is because I know there's actually not one, but there's many Switch flip angles that like, it just kind of gets stuck between both the players, and like, it just doesn't go anywhere. And like, the other player can just walk up to it, bounce it, and just catch it. That's why I say that's why I say Raptor has more of an edge than Switch, because Raptor, none of his angles get stuck on any of the stages, so it's like, yeah, you can just do whatever the fuck you want with Raptor. But Switch, you actually have to be more calculated.
Did it work?
Also, did my mic shit on itself that time? Or did you actually hear me?
I heard. I could hear you, but there was a little noises.
Alright. As long as my message is out, that's good.
I didn't hear that.
Oh.
I think my internet might be lagging a little right there, though.
Your voice is also like, you're starting to sound like a demon right now.
Did it work? Did it work? Yeah! He went back to Latch. Ooh.
I
There
think
we go. There's the starting clash.
mine crashed.
Oh, yours crashed again?
Yeah.
Ah. Manitoba hates you.
God damn it.
Here we go. Nice, do some corner stuff. Ooh, goes for a switch flip but misses it. Ooh, nice catch. Catches that charge, damn. That instant special. The instant latch special is like as soon as you hit it, he eats it.
Oh yeah.
Nice one. That guy's taking control.
Mine won't load on the stream again.
Oh damn, he's just in his face. Wall gator goes up. Was not expecting it. Miku gets taken down. Last stock from Miku.
Already?
Yeah.
Oh my god.
TG's at 6 stocks. And there goes. That guy just destroyed him that round.
I think both of us sound like demons right now. Literally.
Is my voice going all weird too? I don't know.
Yeah, I think both of our voices are just going weird.
Hopefully it's okay on the stream.
Alright, can you hear me actually? Right now?
Yeah.
Alright, so the mic on my headphone just completely broke off, but like it's just hanging by a wire right now, so now I have to hold it. This isn't good.
Your mic broke. Now you got the little.
Yeah, I'm pretty much holding the mic right now. Also,
Rip mic. Now, this one's broke. Maybe it'll convince you to get another one better.
I definitely need another. I need like better headphones. Like these headphones I've had for a little. I've only had these headphones for like 3 months, and like they've already broken. Like these headphones suck ass.
I've had my headphones. They're like $20 over-the-ear headphones. Had them for like 5 years now. Maybe longer than that. Maybe like 10. I don't even know.
These are like Xbox headphones too. Like, these cost like. I just need more like the cheap shit. Like if you can have a $20 headphone and still be using it after 5 years, and I've only used this for 3 months, and I paid like $60 for this, then
These
there's
are
something
nice
wrong.
headphones. Well, I like them. Other people might not. Join up, Matthew.
Tonight, for some reason I can't join. I don't know why. So like it just keeps saying failed to join lobby. What the freak? The freaking frack. Freak. Like this is retarded. What the fuck? Okay, my game is just like completely going crazy right now. Fuck. I literally can't join. Can you get, like, can you guys rehost? This game. TG is taking forever to join. Oh.
And now that guy can't join. He broke everything. We're so close.
This is like just joining the game takes longer than the actual games themselves.
Seems like it. Alright, I think you should be able to join, hopefully.
They keep saying connection timeout. Oh my god.
Well, if you can't join this time, I think we'll just go, because...
Yeah. It said, alright, there we go.
Yay!
Oh, thank god.
Oh, got it ready.
It's the most important process. I don't even know what game this is anymore because I've been dropped out for so many of the games.
It's 2-1 for for Meku.
I think I just crashed again.
I think you just can't watch Meku.
Yeah, I guess it's how it is.
It was working fine before.
Yeah, Vortex is right. It's like going skiing when the lifts take 500% more time than going down.
2 minutes of fun and 10 minutes of waiting.
Yeah, it's like going to one of those fucking national parks, and the line is just super long. It's like 500 people, and like the ride takes like 5 minutes, so you're gonna be waiting there for 2 hours. That's what this is like.
That's what amusement parks are like.
Fuck. And then like the stream is just frozen.
I don't know, is there something wrong with your internet?
Yeah, might be just something wrong with my net. My net's been like really shitty lately.
I don't know, mine does that sometimes, it just dies.
Yeah.
Ooh, nice one. Catches that flip.
I'm gonna see if the already managed.
Oh, that down angle is so deadly. Grounded down by Switch. Which is just his Switch flip angle.
Yeah, I think he's just dying for me.
Ooh, Meku's changing things up. What? He just... Oh, he just stood on top of TG and charged, and TG didn't parry it.
Oh, those are worse. I'm pretty sure he's beating himself up for not parrying.
He won. He took the stock after. Gets quick flipped. Oh, oh, tried to trick him out, but Meku ducked it.
Dead meat.
1-1. Meku needs this to reset. Oh, TG ties it up 2-2.
TG so good. Might be another 3-2.
Could be. Or could be a reset and we get even more. TG probably doesn't want that to happen just because of these. All this weight.
I definitely don't want this to happen.
Yeah, Meku says he's really not feeling it anymore. I can tell, you know, all this waiting along. Yeah, he's getting tired.
You seriously sound like a demon right now.
Rawr.
It's like, literally, it's like, your voice is kind of deep, and then there's like another, like, even deeper voice, like, going behind your voice. It's like, literally sound like a demon.
I don't think I've ever heard lag do that.
I think it's like, I think my audio settings are just shit. I don't even know.
Here, TG has to go pee break because that water he got, like, we can check when he got water.
Well, he's probably just pissing himself that he won that game.
Oh, here we go, he's back.
Alright, hopefully this time it doesn't crash.
Room 21. This is one of Latch's best stages. I don't know how Switch does on this.
I think Switch is alright. He takes the first stock with this smash.
Meku's, yeah, he's starting to do the quick flips the other way now. And
Make left.
Meku might have forgot to change input. Yeah.
Yeah, I forgot to. Wait. Forgot inputs. How do you.
Forgot to change the delay.
Maybe the frames. Yeah, maybe forgot to put frames. That's what he means.
Input frames.
Forget inputs, then you can't even play the game.
Button check. That was just a button check.
Yes, sir.
Button check in online
TG.
games. Yeah.
TG always preaching the truth. TG should be a pastor. I'll go to this church. I'd learn the religion of that guy. I think his real name is Jeff.
Jeff?
Yeah, learn the
is it
religion
Geoff?
of Jeff.
Or Jeff?
Yeah, it's Geoff.
Who spells Jeff like that? That's not Jeff.
Name my son Geoff. Or Jeff.
Jeffrey. Geo-free. Geo be free.
We might get reported from being discriminatory towards names. So we better stop.
If you're gonna spell a name, spell it how it's supposed to sound.
Exactly.
Oh, that guy disappeared. Oh no.
I think you chickened out. He's scared. He's not ready. His lobby froze. Yeah, that's the thing about Meku's. Lobby just freezes for no reason. Uh, Looks like we can join the game. Fuck.
Nope. Panic.
Oh, it's that. Oh, what's up, dude? It's that guy that doesn't. It's that guy who changes his name a lot, but isn't more.
Zygote? No.
Nah, well,
It's the other one.
everyone knows Zygo, but this guy.
Yeah, new noobs. Or yeah, new noobs. I
Yeah.
don't care what his name is. It's new noobs.
Oops, not oops, whatever his name is. It's that guy that changes his name all the time on Steam, and he's not Morph. Morph's names are weird though.
Yeah, Morph just does random names. Zygote usually steals someone else's name and then modifies it.
Yeah. He had like Zonk, Stonky, Zanana. Then he had
Yeah, he had his
Zixel.
phase where he just added Z to everyone's name.
Yeah. Oh my god. Can I get in there? No. Oh, this is taking forever. Alright. So I finally am able to join. Ugh. Very, very long and boring wait.
Yeah! Oh, please, no! Please, no! Yeah!
Dude. Oh my god, did it just crash for me again?
Oh no, did it crash for you again?
Yeah, it kicked me out this time. Oh my.
Oh, this is 100% Manitoba's fault. Oh,
Yeah.
damn, that was a nice catch. Better with the smash, but hates it.
My internet must be through the roof right now. In terms of how bad it is.
I don't know. With the way, like, what's happening with that guy, it could just be Meku's internet, like, just hates you or something. I've
probably
been fine
does.
this whole time, I don't know why.
Canadian bias. It's being
Right,
racist towards North
that guy and
Americans.
me, we live in the same area,
Yeah.
same province. Oh. Just slowly fell on the ball. Just sound like you auto-tuned your yawn.
Yana too.
Ooh. I don't know what happened there, but it's like this is going to be reset. Getting really close. Guy's gotta pull off a miracle to win this. Nice clash. Gets that parry. Nice steal. Oh. Oh damn, how did that catch? Oh, still caught it even though he switch flipped at the last second. Gives him that bun. There's some crazy catches. And loses the ball, and that's a reset.
Well, at least I get 3 more tries.
A minimum of 3 more tries.
A minimum. Mhm. Oh. I keep joining off of TG, but he's not even in the game. That doesn't make sense.
I'm just gonna wait.
Real quick.
Cocoa Puffs are better. Like chocolate Cheeto.
Oh my god.
I got
Are you
it.
doing that? Alright.
TG hosting this time, or did stuff break?
I hate that word.
I don't even know. Ah,
Worse than everything counted on.
Are you in here?
I'm trying to get in there. It's
Oh,
like,
yeah,
it keeps saying connection timeout.
Wondering if you were in here and it completely broke. Everything was broken already.
Why are you laughing at me tacos?
Alright. There we go. I'm in. Hopefully it doesn't crash again, like it's always been for this whole time. And hopefully Meku doesn't forget to set frames.
Here we go. Here we go. I don't know. Every time it does this, it kicks you out, it seems.
Alright. Finally it didn't crash for me.
Yay! Alright.
Oh, Meku's doing these combos.
Having some corner fun. Oh, should expected that.
Sitting right behind him. Meku's doing that, it's very, that's very, the parry spam into the wall.
What is he, Tickle Fatty?
Tickle taught him. Ooh. That's what I'm saying, he's just good at making you get hit by his parries. I'm so tired right now.
Yeah, me too.
How
Well,
do
I
you
wouldn't
feel
be
like
tired, but
commentating?
all this waiting just drained it.
Yeah. I don't feel like I can compensate anymore.
Here, nice catch. I don't know what these two guys are thinking, or feeling though.
Yeah, they're both just like sitting there, just hitting the ball at the wall until one of them goes at them, and they just parry it. It's like nothing to say anymore.
Ooh, nice one.
Smashed right behind his head. That hit combination.
Well, Meku's finally,
That low speed parry.
he's finally doing switch flips in the other direction. He was in the right place, but he just didn't hit the button. Nice catch. Now
Oh,
loses track of it.
Meku played pretty well that match. He's I know, a bit more technical than I usually see him playing. And alright, we'll have a secured second game where I can actually. Oh my god. As soon as I join, it's just TG in there. Alright, let's see. What the freak? I'm gonna wait for like 2 minutes and then rejoin.
Alright, it says we in there.
We in there. Looks like they're striking. They're striking their matches. I know TG likes to strike and Monk likes to strike. Oh, is TG really going random?
Maybe.
Okay,
Maybe.
TG's.
Give them Raptor. The only thing here is if he wins, he's stuck on random.
I just crashed, I think. No, I didn't. Alright, I'm good. I was getting really worried there for a second. TG was in the first arc to a smash. Oh, the neutral right over his head. TG should have gotten killed by that, but nope, he's living. And gets hit by the down angle, dies. Typical.
He was
Should've
in the
just
right
stood
place
there.
there too, but mistimed it, or
I think it was at his feet, so he couldn't neutral it. He would have smashed and get the lower part of the hitbox.
that could have been.
Alright, switch flip, catches it very nicely, and turns and actually catches the around. TG still gets the suck though. Hits him in the back of the head.
Sometimes that'll
Right.
happen.
Very common with both these characters. It's just like the angle, the up angle always hits behind the head, if it ever kills him. And he gets a neutral hit, kills him. TG is usually catching those. Not right now though.
Those early parries are so useless.
Yeah.
When you get those early parries at certain speeds where they can just go back and take it. Oh!
Oh!
That's why you don't stand in the corner.
Very good read by TG.
You get an extra option when you're standing in the corner.
Yeah. Meku could have also reacted to that too. He could have just moved back just a little, or moved on forward just a little bit. Off the corner. Good read by TG nonetheless, so.
Drops down right as it goes behind him.
Yeah. Oh, and he ducks on the up angle. Don't know if that mattered.
I think it
Still
might have.
pretty
I
nice,
think
though.
that one looked like it would have. He's used duck a few times.
Meku getting some of those shuffle reads where you down the ball into him and he just hits it.
Oh,
And Meku is taking a promising lead right now.
another one.
Down angle.
Sneaks in behind him.
Yeah. Meku does some very crafty stuff. His down angles and neutrals. Alright, I'm just gonna wait this time. I'm not just gonna join. Nothing really going on at Twitch chat.
It's dead. I don't even know how many people we have. I think everyone fell asleep.
I'm not even surprised. It's just like we were talking for a little bit, and then after a while, it was just like it just went dead silent because there's nothing going on.
Yeah,
So
we
it's
got a
just
few
like
mecha souls in here. What's he doing?
Mecha Soul.
He's just creeping.
I can't even look. I can't even look at the VR list. My Twitch is just completely frozen. Okay, yeah, now I see it. Yeah, we got a Mecha Soul in here, but Mecha Soul probably AFK, sleeping.
Oh no, there you go. Hey guys, we caught him creeping. Now he's like, oh no, goddamn bastards.
See a Nanoops, or a guy who changes his name a lot. That's not Morph.
Luckily, I was actually listening. Yay! Alright, we got one thing that went.
Trying to join? Alright.
Now let's see if number 2 happens.
Hopefully.
Get ready. Play ball.
Here we go. Just takes it right from him.
Crushed.
Damn bunt.
Ah. God damn it. I guess this is another one where I just sit here.
Did it die again?
Yeah.
Ooh. Ouch. Just kind of let that waver into him. Maybe it's the sleep deprivation. All this waiting.
That's terrible.
Goes behind him, parried. Oh, mistimes a charge. I think he let it go early too. I don't think that was a full charge. If he hit a full charge, it would have hit. Nice parry. Miku's just trying to get him, trying to bait him in for a parry, and works. Oh, I don't know. Maybe TG just wants this to end. Oh, just stood there and he just neutraled it in his face. And that's it. 3-0.
Wait, that was the last game?
Yeah.
Man, that would crash the last game. I thought that was the second to last game.
That
That
was
sucks.
the last.
This is like the most unfortunate. This is like the most unfortunate grand finals I've ever had to commentate.
I'm never gonna win one of these pieces of shit. Oh, poor TG.
Yeah, TG gets like he gets about as salty as I do when I lose. I don't know. I try not to be salty at all, but it's just like Can't control that. But yeah, Meku winning the tournament. I'll see him. Also, TG has won quite a few tournaments, I think. I think he's won like 2 or 3. So, yeah. Getting a little emotional. It's fine.
Alright, we're gonna shut it down now. Oh, he's never won? That's what he said in chat. Poor that guy. It was rough. But I mean, online, stuff happens.
Yeah.
It was rough for everyone.
Oh. I got so tired and just waiting all the
Yeah,
time.
me too. Alright, we're gonna
Like-
shut down the stream. I'm Bad Shot, and with me was...
Matthew.
And we're out.